Unionization in the Age of AI, a New Model for Worker Advocacy. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, has ushered in a new era of workplace transformation, bringing both opportunities and challenges. As AI-driven automation reshapes industries and job roles, a growing number of workers find themselves displaced or at risk of obsolescence. This shift has given rise to a new class of disenfranchised individuals, spanning the middle class and newly unemployed, who face an uncertain future in an increasingly AI-dominated job market. In response to these challenges, there is a pressing need for collective action to protect worker interests, and ensure a just transition to the future of work. AI-driven automation is fundamentally altering the nature of work across industries. Routine tasks are increasingly being automated, leading to job displacement in sectors ranging from manufacturing to customer service. Simultaneously, the rise of the gig economy and contract work has created a more flexible but often less secure employment landscape. These changes have accelerated the pace of skill obsolescence, necessitating a shift towards lifelong learning and continuous skill development. The impact of these changes is far-reaching. While AI creates new job opportunities in fields like data science and AI development, it also threatens traditional roles, particularly those involving repetitive tasks. This disparity in impact across different sectors and skill levels underscores the need for a comprehensive approach to worker advocacy and support. In response to these challenges, a new model of unionization is emerging. This model is characterized by its diverse membership, cutting across traditional industry boundaries and skill levels. It recognizes that the impacts of AI are not confined to any single sector and that collective action must be similarly broad-based to be effective. The AI-era union focuses on adaptability and future-proofing careers. Unlike traditional unions that often fought to preserve specific job roles, this new model emphasizes preparing workers for the jobs of tomorrow. It seeks to balance the protection of traditional labor rights with the realities of a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Central to the mission of this new union model is the promotion of reskilling and continuous education programs. By partnering with educational institutions and technology companies, the union aims to provide members with access to cutting-edge training and development opportunities. This focus on lifelong learning is crucial in an era where job roles are constantly evolving. Another key objective is advocacy for ethical AI deployment and worker protections. The union works to ensure that AI technologies are implemented in ways that complement rather than replace human workers, and that appropriate safeguards are in place to protect worker rights and privacy. Ensuring fair compensation and benefits in evolving work models is another critical goal. As traditional employment structures give way to more flexible arrangements, the union works to secure appropriate protections and benefits for workers in these new paradigms. Lastly, the union actively promotes job creation in emerging industries. By working with policymakers and industry leaders, it seeks to foster environments conducive to the development of new, AI-complementary roles. To achieve its objectives, the AI-era union employs a range of modern strategies and tools. It leverages technology for organization and communication, using digital platforms to engage members, coordinate actions, and disseminate information. This approach allows for rapid mobilization and response to emerging issues. Collaborations with educational institutions and tech companies form a crucial part of the union's strategy. These partnerships facilitate the development of relevant training programs and create pathways for workers to transition into new roles. Political advocacy and policy shaping are also key components of the union's approach. By engaging with legislators and policymakers, the union works to influence the regulatory landscape surrounding AI and labor rights. Partnerships with existing unions and labor organizations allow the AI-era union to benefit from established networks and expertise while bringing fresh perspectives to traditional labor movements. The new union model faces several challenges. Resistance from traditional employers and AI companies, who may view the union's activities as impediments to technological progress or profit margins, is a significant hurdle. To address this, the union emphasizes collaborative approaches and mutual benefit, demonstrating how worker advocacy can lead to more sustainable and ethical AI deployment. Balancing the diverse interests of its membership base presents another challenge. The union addresses this through democratic processes and targeted subgroups that focus on specific industry or skill-based concerns. Keeping pace with rapid technological change requires constant vigilance and adaptation. The union invests heavily in its own technological capabilities and maintains close relationships with experts in the field to stay ahead of trends. Funding and resource allocation in a landscape of changing work structures pose ongoing challenges. The union explores innovative funding models, including partnerships with forward-thinking companies and crowdfunding initiatives. Several success stories illustrate the potential of this new union model. For instance, a re-skilling initiative in the automotive industry successfully transitioned assembly line workers to roles in electric vehicle production and AI-assisted manufacturing. Another case study shows how effective advocacy led to the implementation of ethical AI guidelines in a major tech company, ensuring that AI development considered worker interests. The impact of AI on labor is not confined by national boundaries, and neither is the response of the AI-era union. International cooperation between similar organizations allows for the sharing of best practices and coordinated responses to global challenges. The union works to address AI's impact on global labor markets, advocating for ethical AI standards that protect workers across borders. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the union model. The future may see even more integration of technology in union operations, potentially utilizing AI itself to predict and respond to workforce trends. The long-term impact on workforce dynamics is likely to be significant, with the union playing a crucial role in shaping a more equitable technological future. The rise of AI presents both challenges and opportunities for the global workforce. Collective action, in the form of this new union model, is essential to ensuring that the benefits of technological progress are shared equitably and that workers are prepared for the jobs of tomorrow. By bridging the gap between labor advocacy and technological advancement, this new approach to unionization has the potential to create a more just and sustainable future of work. As we move forward, it is crucial for workers, policymakers, and industry leaders to engage with and support these efforts, recognizing that the future of work is a shared responsibility that requires collaborative solutions.